Hello everyone, in this video we will talk about numbers. So first is real numbers. So what are real numbers? So these are the numbers which can represent actual physical quantities in a meaningful way. And these can be represented on the number line, and number line is a geometrical straight line with arbitrarily defined zero origin. Now let's talk about natural numbers. So counting numbers are known as natural numbers, and natural numbers are represented by alphabet capital N. So numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and it goes infinite are known as natural numbers. Now next is whole numbers. So all natural numbers together with 0 form the collection of all whole numbers, and whole numbers are represented by capital W, and give whole numbers start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it goes on. So now I will talk about prime numbers. So prime numbers are those numbers that have one and itself as their only two factors, or we can say that prime numbers are exactly divisible by 1 and themselves. For example, like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, and etc. And in case of composite numbers, so all the numbers except one which are not prime are composite numbers. So in other words, we can say that the composite numbers have more than two factors, right? And for examples like 4, 6, 9, 10, etc. And there is a note: one is neither prime nor composite number. Next is integers. All natural numbers, 0 and negative of natural numbers, form the collection of all integers. And we represent integers by alphabet, that is I or Z, right? So now we talk about rational numbers. Numbers that can be expressed in the form of P upon Q, and where Q is a non-zero integer and P is an integer, are called rational numbers. For examples, 2 upon 3, minus 5 upon 7, minus 11 upon minus 5, etc. They all are rational number. What is irrational number? The numbers that cannot be expressed in the form P upon Q are called irrational numbers. For examples, 1.222, and it just goes on, and this also can be written as 1.2 bar, right? Here are a few points that you have to keep in your mind. First is 1 is the smallest natural number, 0 is the smallest whole number, 1 is neither prime nor composite number, 2 is the smallest prime number, and 2 is the only even prime number. 4 is the smallest composite number. Now we talk about absolute value. The absolute value of a rational number is its a numerical value. That means value without sign. For example, if I ask you what is the absolute value of minus 5, then the absolute value of minus 5 is mod of minus 5, which means 5. Clear? And in the same way, if I ask you what is the absolute value of 10, so then we can say that absolute value of 10 is equals to mod of 10, and which is always 10. So finally we have to remember that the absolute value of a rational number is its numerical value. So आज के वीडियो में बस इतना ही. Meet you in next video. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you.